Hello everybody, this is Jonathan and today I'll be going through what is new in Basic Text Editor 5.0. So this haven't gotten an update for 2 years until today, and this took me a while to do, but basically I have decided to change the user interface. So instead of showing text, it will now show some icons instead of text. Or it might show up some text, but I want to make sure there's icons next to a text to make it look more modern. So as you guys see over there, there's no text on the of the navigation bar. There's text on the nav bar. So if I click onto the folder over here, then you guys can create a new folder. We can open a folder, then we can save and save as. So there's text next to the icons. It looks a lot better rather than just having text all the time. We can just include some icons, and it just makes it look a lot better. You guys can go to the edit button as well, and as well allowed to cut, which uses the scissors icon, because you use scissors to cut, to cut things like cut some paper or anything like that, would use scissors for. So this is why I use this one as a cut icon. There's also copy and there's also paste, but this very cool basic icon to it, and there's also an undo button over there, which has an undo icon as well. If you click over there, this is about. This icon normally is shown to show if it's like information based, and this is information based because it tells you about the software, who made the software, and keyboard shortcuts. So if I click onto who made the software, it will just say Jonathan Stedman has made this software. So this icon is to show up all of the about this application and all that extra information that you guys might want to know. For example, the keyboard shortcuts, which for now there's Control and C, which will copy the text, and Control and V will paste the text. So that's pretty nice. If you guys can click on to exit, if you want to exit. You guys can click on to new, this just creates a new document. You guys can click on to open, and this will allow it to open up any document you guys want to open. And you guys should be able to start typing on it. So for example, I can do something like this. I can click on to save. I can click on to new again. And now if I click on to open, then I should be able to go over there, and now as you guys can see, my document was able to be saved, and now I should be able to create a new one. And then from here I should be able to call this one hello world, I am Jonathan Stedman, and now I can go ahead and now just save this one. So if I click on to save as, I should be able to save it somewhere else to a different directory. So for example, I can go into the home Jonathan, then I can go into the home Jonathan. So now I can call this one john.txt. So if I call this one john.txt, then as you guys can see, it should be able to save it. So if I go back over there, if I click on to new, if I click over there, if I click on to open, as you guys can see, it takes me back to this directory, but there should be a new document called john.txt, and as you guys can see, it says hello world, I'm Jonathan Stedman. So basically functionality is kind of the same. I fixed those bugs in the code, but I just wanted to make the user interface a little bit more modern, and I want to start using icons instead of just always using text, and to have icons next to text. So for example, you guys can just see the icons over there. You guys can see those icons, and we can see those icons as well. This is written with Python and with tkinter, if you guys were wondering. This is open source. We should be able to find it on GitHub, which it is on GitHub, if I can show you guys. Here it is. It's over here on GitHub. So this is the code. If you guys want to browse through it, if you guys want to create your own text editor and want to be based on mine, you guys can indeed do so. It might be a little bit more complicated for someone that's not tech savvy, but it has like 400 lines of code, and this will get updated over time, so it's gonna soon end up having like thousands of code, but for now it has like 400 lines of code, but this does use tkinter, so that's pretty nice. Over there is the assets. So over here we have the copy.png, we have diskette, we've got edit, we've got folder, icon for the app, we've got info.png, new document icon, open folder with document icon, we've got save icon, we also got save as icon, but I only use saved.png icon. I also have scissors.png, which is the cut icon, and we've also got the undo circular hour.png, which is the undo button, the undo icon basically. So you guys can click over there to download it, and this should just take you to the download page, and you guys can just download for the next. It is coming out for the Raspberry Pi only for the next 64-bit. 4.1 update is currently the only one that's available, but it is going to come out to the Raspberry Pi for the next 64-bit very soon in the next coming weeks. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please put a like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.